In this lecture, let's see how to customize or modify the permalink structure of the entire WordPress e-commerce website. Now we are in the post view, and to edit the permalink structure of the entire site, move to settings and then permalinks. You could have noticed while we edited the permalink of our first post that the year, month and the day appear before the title of that post in the URL structure. This is the default setting of the new WordPress installations. In case of news websites or blogs or review websites, you can leave this default permalink structure as it is, so that you can get your post organized well in terms of year, month and then date. But for our site, such as e-commerce site, we should not display the name or the month or a year in the URL. Else, the customers will know when the product was posted or when was the creation time of this product and all. Normally, as an e-commerce administrator, we don't like that, and we want the product that was created years ago to sell even after several years. So, the permalink structure should not reveal the dates and year of the creation of the item. We may create several posts or products in the same name. When two or more items are published on the same date with the same title, then WordPress will suffix a number to the right side of the title. For example, if I publish the first post multiple times on the same date, then the URL will be like this: first post -1, first post -2, etc. To avoid that, we need to change the permalink settings site-wide. So the final takeaway is that for blog or news websites or review websites, leave this default permalink as it is. But for e-commerce site like ours, we need to change to the custom structure in the following manner. Every item should be nested inside the category that should be legible to the customer. So the URL should contain the category name. Also, if you provide an item number to each product that you list, then the URL can also contain the item number. But let's change the permalink as per the category and then the post name for now. Leave this part of post name structure as it is and select all the others and change it to just category. The category should be prefixed and suffixed by a percentage symbol and should be nested inside this /. Now click Save Changes. Let's see how the link for our permalink appears now. Go to Posts, All Posts, mouse over our first course on e-commerce website and middle click View or right click and click Open in New tab. Now the URL path has changed completely. Here the localhost is my domain name, WP is installation path of my WordPress website, promotions is the category, and first post is the title of the post that we have shortened before. This is quite nice and pretty for any e-commerce website. For sharing the product in other social networks or in any other external websites, you need to shorten the link of the URL. By default, WordPress provides shortened links for every post that you publish. Let's see what that is. Click Edit on our first post and there is a button called Get Short Link near the View Post button. Click it and now we have got our new short link. The short link contains a domain name followed by installation path of my WordPress and some letters as p equal to 4. Do you know what this means? It means post equal to 4. This post may be the first post for us, but in this WordPress installation, this is the fourth post. When we browse through this URL, it gets automatically redirected to our first post. Rather than saying this as a short link, I can say it as a medium link because once our post number gets increasing and increasing, this p is equal to 4 will get counted up to millions. Then we cannot call it as a short link. So to get even more shorter links, you can use several URL shorteners such as bit.ly or goo.gl, Google.